All right, we're going to set up our rat vacs. This is a multi-catch setup here. We use the rat vac from rodent stoppers from the Twin Home Experts. And we're going to set up one in the garage. We're going to set one up in the backyard. And this is a multi-catch. What will happen is we can catch up to 60 mice in one vacuum. So we're going to set 2 vacuums up because they have a severe problem. And we're going to set up our cameras and see what kind of activity we get on our cameras. Stay tuned. All right, we are getting our rat vacs set up. Sam is over there setting that one up. This one is set up. I'm going to go ahead and fill our feeding tray, and then we're going to set this up in the garage, and hopefully we can get our brand new cameras hooked up and running so we can get some good video coverage. So stay tuned. We're getting all this organized, situated, and set up. We got our Jif extra crunchy. We've got our bait tray set up. A little bit of bait here, majority of the bait here to draw them to the back, so that way that sensor can turn on and suck them up. All right, let's get going with this. All right, so we have it all set up. We're gonna test out the sensor, make sure our sensor is working. The vacuum should turn on once the mouse hits that sensor. And the vacuum stays on for 7 seconds. Let's see what it looks like inside. And there it is. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill it with our water and our enzymes. Okay, we've already tested our vacuum. We've already tested the sensor. So we put some paper in there, and once they hit the sensor, it sucks it up into the vacuum. The vacuum will stay on for 7 seconds. And I'm gonna try to hook up my camera now, but just FYI, this is equipment of my company. Once we solve the problem, we will pick this equipment up. These are our cords. I'm gonna put everything nice and neat right here, but just be aware that this is in the garage, and I'm gonna set up another one in the back as long as we have electricity back there. All right, we are putting our water. We're gonna put about 1 gallon or so, and then we're gonna use our Twinzymes. That's good. Then we're gonna use our Twinzymes. Let's get a picture of that Twinzymes. Right there, some Twinzymes. We're gonna put in our vacuum here to control the odor so we can get back out here. We're gonna use about 1/2 of the enzymes there. That's probably good right there. And that's what it looks like. All right, and that smells good. All right, we got rat vac number 2 just about set up. We're getting it plugged in. We have our water, we have our Twinzymes that we put in here, and then we'll see what happens. All right, we are testing our second rat vac here, making sure the sensor works. All right, we are testing our second rat vac here, making sure the sensor works with some tissue. All right. Let's open up the vacuum, son, and pull out that paper. All right, everything works. Let's see how this goes.